Football now, Jamaica College, Kingston College, St. George's College. Last year's runner-up, St. Andrew Technical, Charlie Smith and Holy Trinity ensured they qualified for the All-Ireland Champions Cup knockout competition following today's second round results in the Issa Digicel Manning Cup. JC, the five-time defending champions, repeated their first leg scoreline, blanking Calabar 2-0 at Stadium East to come away 5-0 winners on aggregate.
The sun was very hot. That contributed to the sluggish start. But credit to the substitutes who came on, Sackley and Wall, Jabari Howell. They did pretty well in helping us to control the game, and eventually Wall scored the 2 goals that were needed today.
Former champions KC were even more impressive as they thrashed Mona 6-1 on the day to take their 2-leg tie 9-2 on aggregate.
We knew that the Cumberland team possessed and packed midfield a lot. So even in training this week, we did some very unorthodox things to really try and deal with these kind of situations. So I was very pleased with the response here today. Again, it shows what a bench can do, you know, to continue the quality of the game right throughout.
KC had beaten Cumberland by 6-1. Many-time champion St. George's College whipped Mona High 3-0 at the Spanish Town Prison Oval for a 7-1 aggregate win. Naeem Cameron got the opener for St. George's College before Quayne Wright and Romario Willis finished things off in the 82nd and 84th minutes respectively.
Yeah, basically, a good overall performance. I think we were solid right to the team today. You know, last game we conceded a goal today, we don't concede a goal. That was a plus for us going forward. And we expect Mona to come put us in resistance, and we expect them to change their formation. And, you know, we adjust to that and we get 3 goals, and that's a plus going forward.
Now, St. Andrew Technical made progress following a 2-2 draw with Hydel in a match which saw a player from either side being sent off. The result meant Stats won 3-2 on aggregate after winning the first leg by 1-0.
We had a tough going early in the game, but we settled down. We got the goals. One of them, luckily, but we're happy for that. We managed to preserve the game. I mean, manage the game completely in terms of time and how we play the ball around. And I think we wore down this ideal team, got them flustered, and thank God for the victory at the end.
Now, in other results, Charlie Smith overturned a 3-1 first leg deficit to beat St. Catherine 4-1 to advance 5-4 on aggregate, while Holy Trinity had a 3-0 win over St. Jago to advance 6-0 on aggregate.